Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the Aventus crowdloan and how to contribute through the Payoneer Finance. So Aventus crowdloan, they already started, they listed on the Payoneer Finance now, so all of you can contribute. And so for the Aventus crowdloan, the base reward is at least 3 AVT. And the price of the AVT is 1.4 now, so 3 AVT would be 4.2. So for each dot now you will get 4.2, which is not too bad for the crowdloan. So if you check the historical price, it's just around this one. So it's not too bad. And the Aventus is an enterprise grade blockchain for the Ethereum Polkadot. So right now they already built on Ethereum, so now they're going to move to the Polkadot. And so now let's go ahead to contribute. So once you open that, you can see the rewards, and with hard cap with 200,000 dot. Hopefully we can make it, so we should still have time. So the vesting is 10%, you will get it immediately, and the 90% will be linearly vested throughout the 96 weeks. And they have some introductions. Now I'm going to first deposit, so make sure you have some dot deposit to the crowdloan. So I will start with 10, but actually I will tell you I would definitely contribute more. So let me just start with 20, at least 20. I probably would do more than 20, because compared to other crowdloans like the one that's going on, I think the rewards for this one is not too bad. So now you can see that the rewards now the available balance is 20, so I can go ahead and contribute all of them. And I probably will make several contributions. So this is basically how you can contribute through the Payoneer Finance. Basically, you need to deposit dot to the Payoneer the Payoneer parity, and then you can contribute. And so just wait a little bit time, and you should be able to get it contributed. So okay, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and okay, that's all. And if you have any questions, if you don't want to miss any future videos, please subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.